Noelene.
And I'm Wayne.
And today we're going to be talking to you about Google Tone.
Yep. 60-second PL. Go.
Fantastic. So Google Tone can be downloaded on any device. You just need to use Chrome. Best thing about this is that you can share a URL with your students in your classroom without actually copying and pasting the link and sharing it through other means. So I have a National Geographic page which has got a fairly long URL on dolphins. I'm going to simply click on my Google Tone button and this will send a message to all the laptops or devices around me, and you'll see that this information or this URL will be sent to my students, in this case Wayne.
Oh my goodness, here it is. I've got the URL from Noelene Callaghan. I open it up and ta-da, it's opened up on my device. This is an extension in Chrome that anybody can download onto their device.
Exactly. Just go to Google, type in Google Tone and download it, and it will sit in your favourites bar up the top.
Yep, easy peasy. I hope you've enjoyed this 60-second PL.
Thank you.
See you later.